Our site is built around what we think of as the recipe for sexual health. If you follow the tabs, you'll learn about each component. As we age, our bodies are constantly changing. The knowledge section will help you better understand what these changes may mean before they happen and as they're happening. Lower estrogen levels often mean a change in our natural vaginal lubrication. This section helps you better understand how to combat this change by using moisturizers and lubricants. Genital sensation changes as a result of less blood flow. Sex now requires more time and attention. This section explains how to best address these issues. Pelvic tone is important for overall health as well as sexual health. It can actually improve orgasm. This section will help you understand how to tone your pelvic floor and keep it in shape. And maybe the most important section of all is emotional intimacy, where you'll find ways to help reconnect with your partner. In each section, we suggest actions you can take, starting with the simplest first. We also link to possible underlying conditions and related blog posts so you can learn more. We're a comfortable place to find what you need to know to fully enjoy your sexuality.